So our first requirement is like the selection of rule action and make the rule action type read only. So select the rule application from the application selector at the top right corner. Select the rule application here and then go to the rules tab. Then either create the new one or open the existing rule name. Let's open the existing rule. Now click on, go to the rule action related history, that is here, and click on new rule action. So notice that this new page has been appeared, which will have the list of the rule actions. So you can click on any of the rule action, or you can even click on back to rule, so it will leads you back to the original rule. So let's go to again this new rule action page and then click on update field. So notice that the requirement was like to make this type pick click as a read only. So here we have made it as a read only. So now you can enter, you can select any related object, and then let's say owner I created, let's select label, select one and select any rule, and you can save it. So for now just delete it. This is the first requirement that is satisfied, like to make the rule action type read only. Now the scenario 2, now execution of filter logic and the rules action. So again let's go to the select the rule application, go to rules tab, then either create the new rule or open the existing rule. Let's select the existing rule. So basically this rule is the update the account description. So what it will do, so it will update the field on the account object, and the evaluation rule is like whenever record is created or edited, that is the evaluation rule. Now let me show you the various rule criteria. So let's click on filter logic. So here rule criteria is like if account name is start with Amit, or name equals to test, or name equals to test. And the filter logic is here is like any of this rule, one of these rule criteria will satisfy, then the rule action will be executed. So here the rule filter logic is like 1 or 2 or 3. So let's save the filter and go back to the rule. Now let's open up the rule actions. So rule action is like update the account description. So here the account description equal to dummy account. So whenever rule criteria is satisfied, so the rule action will be executed and it will update the account description as a dummy account. So now we are clear about the rule criteria and the rule actions. So now let's go back to the account object. So let's select the account tab. Let's create the new account. So notice that as per our rule criteria, if name is equal to Amit or test or caps lock test, then it will update the account description. So let's select the account name as Amit, and once we save it, so notice that the description will be updated with the dummy account. So let's save it. Okay, so the description has been updated with the dummy account. So that is on the every time the rule is every time the account is created. Now the let's test the second criteria, like whenever record is updated. So let's, for example, first update it with some different value. Let's say tips, and let's for now make this account description as a null and save it. So it will do nothing because our rule criteria will not satisfied in this case. So let's again make it to Amit. So now we are we are editing the existing account. So this the evaluation criteria is like whenever account is created or edited. So even in this case the rule criteria will satisfied and it will update the description with the dummy value. Let's save it. So it has updated with the dummy account. So this is all about this demo.